Okay, now we are ready for our fifth example. Let's say you are living in Salt Lake and your boyfriend or girlfriend lives in Denver, which is 532 miles away. Friday at 5, you both start driving toward each other. You go 70 miles an hour and he or she goes 63 miles an hour. When will you meet? So here's our chart for the Salt Lake City driver and the Denver driver. Now, Emma, are you going to put 5 in either of those times? I hope not. Remember, the time of day doesn't go in there, just the travel time. If you have a time of day, just throw it away, and then you can look at it later if you need to. Okay, but I do know my rates, so I know that the Salt Lake driver is going 70 miles an hour and the Denver driver is going 63 miles an hour. I don't know how long we're driving, but we both start at the same time and we're going to drive until we meet, so my times are the same. Now, what can I say about the distances? Well, we're sitting here in Salt Lake. They're over there in Denver. I know that's kind of a weird mascot, but that's what I found on the internet. Okay, I'm going that far. The Denver driver's going that far. What else do I know? Good, the total distance is 532. So what do I do for those distances? Let's say that my distance is D. What is the Denver driver's distance? Remember that blue, green, and red thing from the very first slide from the first video for this lecture. I know that 532 is equal to Salt Lake plus Denver, or Denver is equal to 532 minus Salt Lake. So that's 532 minus D. Look at that before we get any formulas up to make sure that makes sense. All right, so what formulas do we have? Rate times time equals distance. Rate times time equals distance. Let's solve those two formulas on the next slide. Oh, I kept it on this slide, I forgot. So we know D is equal to 70 T, so I'll put that in for D in the second equation. So I have 133 T is 532. Divide by 133 and I get T equals 4. So if we were traveling for 4 hours and we started at 5 o'clock, then we meet at 9 p.m.